Congratulations to all the mothers who delivered vaginally. You showed strength, patience, and courage. Now let's talk about how to recover safely and comfortably. After a normal delivery, mild pain, bleeding, weakness, and emotional changes are common. These are part of the healing process and usually improve with time and proper care. Recovery after a normal delivery happens gradually. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, rest and healing are most important. By 2 to 6 weeks, strength improves, and around 6 weeks, most women feel comfortable again. After a normal delivery, follow simple precautions. Take rest, walk gently, maintain hygiene, and avoid heavy work, squatting, or self medication. Gentle care helps faster recovery. After a normal delivery, proper perineal and stitch care is very important. Clean the area with warm water, change pads frequently, take a daily sitz bath, and keep the area dry. Consult your doctor if pain or discharge increases. Correct posture is very important after normal delivery. Sit with a straight back, lie on your side when resting, maintain proper breastfeeding posture, and walk gently. Good posture reduces pain and helps faster recovery. After normal delivery, a healthy and balanced diet is very important. Include protein, iron-rich foods, and plenty of fluids. Avoid junk and very spicy foods. Good nutrition helps faster healing and improves energy. Constipation is common after normal delivery. Include fiber-rich foods, drink enough fluids, walk gently, and maintain correct toilet posture. Avoid straining to protect stitches, and use stool softeners only if prescribed. Breastfeeding not only nourishes the baby but also helps the mother recover faster. It helps the uterus contract, reduces bleeding, improves bonding, and supports emotional well-being. After normal delivery, take only the medicines prescribed by your doctor. Pain relief, iron, calcium, and vitamins help recovery and support breastfeeding. Avoid self-medication or home remedies without medical advice. After normal delivery, consult your doctor immediately if you have heavy bleeding, fever, severe pain, burning during urination, or any signs of stitch infection. Early treatment prevents complications. After normal delivery, emotional changes like mood swings and baby blues are common in the first 1 to 2 weeks. Rest, family support, and talking openly help. If sadness or anxiety continues, consult your doctor. There are many myths after normal delivery. Proper care, rest, and breastfeeding are essential for recovery. Pain should not be ignored, and rest is a medical need, not laziness. After normal delivery, give your body time to heal. Eat well, rest adequately, breastfeed regularly, and follow your doctor's advice. A calm and patient approach leads to smooth recovery. You're doing a great job, moms. Healing takes time. Subscribe for more doctor approved guidance on women's health.